Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to take you through Form 3 Chemistry, Topic 2, the mole. Now, relationship between the relative formula mass and moles. Let's do example 1 together. Calculate the number of moles in 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide, where carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. Calculate the number of moles in 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide, where carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. How do you go this? Now you have to, before you do this, how do you get the number of moles? Let's say this one is triangle here. The top we have mass. This one we have number of moles. We have molar mass. Now you have to get the RFM of carbon dioxide. RFM of carbon dioxide. RFM, relative formula mass. Relative formula mass, which is the same as molar mass. Let's get the relative formula mass of carbon dioxide. Relative formula mass of carbon dioxide. How do you get the relative formula mass of carbon dioxide? Carbon we have 12 plus oxygen we have 16. But here oxygen is 2. Now you have to multiply 16 times 2. Now the RFM of carbon dioxide will be 12 plus 16 times 2, which is 32. 12 plus 32. 12 plus 32. If you add 12 plus 32, now the relative formula mass of carbon dioxide will be 44. That is the relative formula mass for carbon dioxide. Now the question says calculate the number of moles. The number of moles, for you to get the number of moles is equals to mass divided by molar mass. Number of moles, for you to get the number of moles is equals to mass divided by molar mass. Now mass we have 4.4 grams. Now you said 4.4 divided by the molar mass, which is 44. 4.4 divided by 44. You have to use your calculator wisely for this case. Let's use 4.4 divided by 44, which is 0.1 moles. 0.1 moles. That is the moles of carbon dioxide. Let's do the next one. 2.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate, where sodium is 23, hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. The procedure is just one and the same. RFM of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now the learner, you have to be very keen when you write the chemical formula for sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now we have sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now sodium we have 23. Sodium we have 23 plus hydrogen we have 1 plus carbon we have 12. Carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16 here. but the oxygen is 3. Now you have to multiply 16 times 3. Now the RFM of sodium, relative formula mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate, will be 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. Now you have to use your calculator wisely. We have 23 plus 1 hydrogen carbon, we have 12 plus 16 times 3, which is the same as 84. Now the relative formula mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate will be 84. The question says calculate the number of moles in sodium hydrogen carbonate. For you to get the number of moles, we have said the number of moles is equals to mass divided by the molar mass. Number of moles is given mass divided by molar mass. Mass divided by molar mass. Mass, we have 2.5 grams. 2.5 divided by molar mass, which is the same as relative formula mass, we have 84. Now you have to divide. Now 2.5 divided by 84. You have to use your calculator wisely. 2.5 divided by 84, which is the same as 0.298. 0.298 moles. 0.298 moles. That is how do you go for that. We have said for you to get the number of moles we have mass divided by molar mass, which is 2.5 divided by 84, which is 0.298 moles. I think that was the last one, and I wish you all the best. And don't forget, if it is your first time to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I wish you all the best.